People don't know this, but Google can pay you up to 700 Ghana cedis every single day. In today's video, I'm going to show you the website that I created back in 2019 and now it's currently making over 6,000 every single month. The website name is called privatewholesale.com. You can check it out. I'm going to show you how to start a WordPress blog in Ghana and also work from home so that you can make money from your PC or from your laptop. I also have a WhatsApp group where I teach people how to trade cryptocurrency. So if you're interested in buying and selling Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin and making money, then click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a WordPress blog and how to index the website so that you can also start making money. I refresh this screen, you can see about $87. That is about 890 cedis or so. Last month I also received about 2,700 Ghana cedis from Google. People are currently making a lot of money with this strategy and they are not willing to share it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to also make money with your PC working from home. You can also use your smartphone to do the same thing. So make sure, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and watch the video from start to finish. And if you have any questions at all, just comment down below. You can also click on the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. I have a private mentorship group where I teach people how to earn passive income with their smartphones just by trading Binance features. So make sure you join the Telegram group. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a blog in Africa and also how to make money from the blog. Right now I have about 7 websites that are currently paying me every single month, and I only write 1 article per month for this. You just need to follow my instructions and you can also start cashing out. So subscribe, and what you can do is you are just going to click on the second link in the video description. So once you click on the second link in the video description, you will come to a website called StormHost. Okay, so you are going to go to a website called StormHost. Then you are going to just follow my instructions. I'll try and show you everything that you encounter. Okay, so let me just show you how it works. So right now, TV3, Yen News, and even my Joy News Online, they are all using the strategy to make money online, and I'm going to share it to you for free. So you are going to come to a website called StormHost. When you click on the link in the video description, then you scroll down. So when you scroll down, I'm going to help you buy a domain name, and also I'm going to help you set up hosting so that you can also start making money when you index your website to Google Search Console. So what you want to do is you are going to scroll down and you are going to search for domain name. Okay, you are going to search for a domain name right now. So let's say we are going to start a WordPress website. We can just click on this. Okay, so once we click on get this, okay, I'm going to show you the plan that you need to select for this to work for you. We have starter plan, basic plan, standard plan and professional. What I'll advise you do is you go for the basic plan. Okay, so for the basic plan, you are going to pay 300 Ghana cedis for 1 year and you get yourself a website. They are going to give you free domain. When you pay the 300 Ghana cedis, they are going to give you free domain, and you also get 10 gigabyte of data storage. That means that you can even upload content up to 10 gigabyte. Okay, so we also have free SSL. So the SSL is the key lock here. Anytime that you visit a website and it doesn't have this key lock, just run away from it. That means that hackers can easily get your information when you use your password or your email address. Then we have free website builder. That means if you want to use whether Drupal or you want to use WordPress, you will get it for free. We also have manage with cPanel. The most important thing, or the reason why I go for StormHost, is because they have good customer care. So if you have a problem with your website, they have a WhatsApp contact that you can just get in contact with them and they will help you out. So we also have add-on domains. So the add-on domains is usually, let's say if your website name is called privatewholesale.com, you can also do privatewholesale.com.to, all these things. Then we have FTP account. So if you are starting a website always make sure your account is having FTP account and subdomains. So for the FTP account, let's say you want to have an email address that is connected to your website. You can see right now, if you apply for this thing, job@3news.com, they will have an address that 3news@3news.com. okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Then we also have site lock security light. So this one is just the same as the key lock. It helps you and protect your website from hackers. So we just go for the basic plan. If you are starting the website for, let's say, a hostel company or a hotel company or just some corporation, just go for the unlimited plan, that is the professional or the standard plan. So right now we are going to start a WordPress blog, so I'll advise we go for the 300, that is the basic plan. So I'll just click on order now. Okay, so once I click on order now, I'm going to enter the domain name. The domain name is the name of your website. Is the name of your website. It's just, let's say, your house. Every house have a name, and the land is the hosting. So the hosting is the land, and the name of your website is the name of your house. So if you are starting a WordPress website, you should ask yourself these questions. What problem are you going to be solving? People usually forget this. So let's just go to my website right now. So if I type in private hostels, okay, so if I type in private hostels, my website will appear. Basically, you can see my website is talking about hotels and hostels around Africa. You see how it works. So before you even start a WordPress blog, either you are starting the WordPress blog about business, you are starting the WordPress blog about cooking, or you are starting the WordPress blog about news, sports and betting strategies, make sure that you know already at the back of your mind the reason why you are starting the website, and also make sure it's solving a particular problem. Before you even start a WordPress website, just make sure it's solving a particular problem. So basically what we want to do now is we want to go back to StormHost. So let's say if we were starting a WordPress blog around make money, we can type in the domain name. And also when you are choosing the domain name, just make sure it's a simple name that people can remember. So let's say right now I'm going to start a WordPress blog around making money or finance. I can say work from home Ghana. Okay, so this is the domain name, workfromhomeghana.com. I'll just click on search to see whether this domain name is available. So you can see this domain name is available for 155 Ghana cedis for just 1 year. So you can see work from home Ghana is available. We'll just click on continue, and you can buy the domain and the hosting with your mobile money, either Airtel, Tigo, or your Voda Cash or MTN mobile money. You can buy it from. You can even use your Visa card. Even if you have MasterCard or debit, you can use it to pay. So what we want to do is we just click on proceed. Then we are going to pay 300 Ghana cedis now for the website. Then we select light. For the gigabyte, just keep it at none. Then you proceed to check out. So we click on continue. So today we are going to pay them 300 Ghana cedis, and they will give us this free domain. So DNS and the IP ID protection is, you are going to pay this for 50 cedis, and they will protect your information from people searching for those who own the domain name. So if we go to a particular website called whosedomain.com, so if we go to whosedomain.com, we can search for the owner of privatehostel.com, and my name will appear. Okay, so if I search for privatehostels.com, the owner of the domain name, the address and everything will appear. Okay, so if you don't want your address and anything to appear on the blog or on the website, you can hide it from people by adding the DNS and also the IP protection. You can click here and you pay 350 Ghana cedis, and they will hide your username, your address and everything from the internet. So what you can do is you just click on continue here. So after clicking on continue, you can see right now we are going to pay 300 Ghana cedis, and next year by this time we now pay 460 Ghana cedis. So we'll click on continue to check out. So when you finish getting your website done and still you have questions, you can contact me and I'll help you solve. If any problem, you still have problems with Stormhost, just contact me. So what you want to do is you are going to add your first name, your last name, then your company name, email address. If you don't have a company name, just forget it. Then we have the street address, then we also have the city that you are from, the region or state, and postal code. If you are from Ghana, the postal code is 00233. I don't know of those who are from Nigeria or South Africa, but if you are from Ghana, this is the postal code that you are supposed to use. And always select the country that you are. It's very important. So what I'll just do is I'll enter my name here, then I'll enter my last name, then I'll enter my company name, Mobile Billionaire. Then I have my email address, so you can just add any email address that you have into it. Okay, then I'll just come and add the street ID, GU, then city, and the state, Northern region. Then we have all this. After doing it, you can just add your password. So let's say I'm going to add my password. So this is the password that you are going to be using to log into your account when you make payment. So right now I'll confirm my password. Okay, then we have security question. What primary school did you attend? I'll just go for Presby. Then you are done. You can now select whether you want to pay with your mobile money or your credit card. If you also want to do bank deposit or PayPal, you can select any. Then you just click on I have read and agreed to terms of service, then complete. Okay, so once you click on complete, now you are supposed to pay for, they will generate a PIN for you to pay, and when you make payment, they will now send your website details to you on your Gmail account, the email address that you use. So when they send it to you, now the next thing is you are going to log in. After logging in, you click on your cPanel here. So we are going to click here to log into our cPanel. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, because tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how to index your website, how to also add plugins and customize it so that it will look nice like this. Okay, so that your website can look nice like this, and all the team using Elementor. Tomorrow I'm going to help you do that. So what you want to do is, once you click on the cPanel after logging into your account, now you click on WordPress. So we are going to install WordPress on the website. Okay, so for you to install WordPress, you just click here. Because I have already installed WordPress, I'll just click on login. So for you, you just click on install WordPress. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes and the WordPress will be installed. After it has been installed, now you click on login. When you click on login, it will take you straight to your WordPress dashboard. So right now, when it takes you to your WordPress dashboard, there are some settings that you need to make before you start adding plugins or before you even index your website. So I'm going to show you the settings that you need to take, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to index your website so that when someone search for it on Google, it will appear. So you can see I have 6 comments. My website is currently one of the top websites in Ghana that is about hotel and hostel companies. So if you want me to be your mentor, I have a WhatsApp group. You can just click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. So basically what we want to do is we are going to go to our settings. Okay, so when you go to settings, you click on general. So this is my WordPress dashboard. So I'll click on general here. So once I click on general, there are some settings that I need to input. So you can see this is my site title, private hostels. So if you want your website to appear this way, Google will make it appear this way, site title. Then we have the WordPress URL. So this is your URL. Don't tamper with it. Then the email address. Change this to subscriber. The language should be English and your time zone. So always leave it that way. For the date format, select the first one, and also the time format, you can select the first one too. Then after that, you just click on allow brainstorm force product tracker. Then you just click on save. Then once you click on save, you now click on permalinks. Okay, you click on settings again, then you go to permalinks. Okay, so once I click on permalinks, I'll now select the way that I want my blog to appear just by using post name. So you can see I select post name, then you just click on save. Okay, that's the only thing that you are going to set here. You are just going to click on post name here. You are going to select post name so that when you write an article, so let's say if I click on the blog section, or if I click on hostels around University of Ghana, it will appear about hostels around University of Ghana. You can see we have hostels University of Ghana. So it's very important if you want your website to appear neat. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add plugins to your WordPress website, and I'm also going to help you customize your theme and also edit your layout so that it can look nice. So make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification icon so that you will receive the video tomorrow.